Did you know that over 100 million Pringles are made, and would you believe that it started with a problem? Back in 1956, the American brand Procter & Gamble assigned chemist Frederick J. Bauer a difficult task: invent a new chip that would solve the three main consumer complaints. Chips were broken, greasy, and stale, and the bags were mostly air. Bauer spent 2 years pioneering the solution: a chip made from dried dough, packaged in a tubular can. While Bauer designed the shape, it was P&G researcher Alexander Lipa who perfected the taste, and even science fiction author Gene Wolfe, a mechanical engineer, helped design the specialized cooking machine. The result? The Pringle, marketed as Pringles newfangled potato chips in 1968. It is a product of absolute precision. Unlike sliced potato chips, every Pringle is identical. Each one snaps the same, stacks perfectly, and delivers that familiar crunch. That mathematically perfect saddle shape is known as a hyperbolic paraboloid. The brand, now owned by Kellanova, is a testament to food engineering. Let's go inside the factory and see how this chip of science is made. The 6 steps of Pringle production. Step 1. Preparing the flake base. Believe it or not, Pringles are only about 42% real potato. The rest is a carefully controlled mixture of starches and flours. First, the raw potatoes are harvested, vigorously washed, peeled, and diced. These chunks are then steam cooked at high heat until they collapse into a soft, fluffy mash. We've broken down the potato structure. Its familiar form vanishes, leaving a creamy, bland canvas. This mash is spread in a paper-thin layer onto massive heated drums. The heat dries out every bit of moisture, leaving behind brittle, dried sheets. These sheets are then broken down into tiny, delicate potato flakes, the basic building block of every Pringle. Step 2. Mixing the engineered dough. Our potato flake tumbles down from the storage silo into a cavernous mixer, but it doesn't go on alone. It's combined with cornstarch, rice flour, and wheat starch, plus a controlled dose of subtle seasoning. This mixture is not elastic like bread dough. It's deliberately crumbly and fragile. That unique texture is its strength. It allows the dough to be precisely pressed into shape without sticking, but still hold together when it hits the heat. Giant blades fold everything together until we have one smooth, uniform mixture, containing all the raw potential of the final snack. Step 3. Precision shaping and molding. The dough is immediately carried forward and rolled out into an ultra-thin sheet, barely a millimeter thick. Giant rollers flatten it with micrometer precision, because in the Pringles world, consistency is everything. From this endless ribbon, hundreds of oval shapes or doils are stamped out every minute. As these flat cutouts travel, they approach the molder. Here, the doils are carried between 2 curved metal belts. In a matter of seconds, they are permanently pressed into that famous saddle shape. This hyperbolic curve is an engineering marvel. It distributes stress evenly across the chip, making it incredibly strong enough to stack dozens deep without breaking. Step 4. The 11-second frying dance. Now comes the dramatic stage, turning dough into a crisp. The delicate doils glide forward until they reach a river of bubbling oil, kept at a razor-precise 392 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Without hesitation, the crisps are dropped in for exactly 11 seconds. The heat drives out the remaining water, instantly transforming the soft, pale dough into a hard, golden, brittle structure. As the chips exit the fryer, powerful blowers sweep away any excess oil clinging to the surface, ensuring the crisp stays light and ready to deliver that famous crunching sound.
Three-second rule? Once you pop, you can't stop.
Step 5. The flavor rainfall. Golden and perfectly crisp, our chip now receives its flavor. Conveyors carry the freshly fried chips into giant rotating drums. Inside, nozzles release a fine shower of seasoning powder that falls like rain. As the drum tumbles, each chip picks up its flavor identity, whether it's sour cream and onion, barbecue, or one of the 160+ flavors they make worldwide. Here's a neat trick: only one side of the Pringle is seasoned. Because they are stacked so tightly, the flavor transfers between the chips, ensuring every bite is balanced and delicious. Step 6. Stacking and sealing the iconic can. With its flavor locked in, the chip moves toward the feature that makes Pringles instantly recognizable: the stack. Their curved shape allows them to slide naturally into neat piles, each one perfectly cradling the next. High-speed scanners watch closely, and any misshapen or imperfect chip is flicked aside by a puff of air. The flawless stack is then gently nudged into the waiting cylinder, the iconic Pringles can. Finally, a thin foil membrane is heat-pressed onto the can, locking in freshness and trapping that aroma inside, before the famous plastic pop-top lid seals the deal. Pringles isn't just a snack, it's a piece of food science, engineered to deliver consistency, perfect crunch, and stackable convenience, solving the problems that plagued the original potato chip and conquering the world. If you liked this video, comment down below what you want to watch next and don't forget to like and subscribe.